In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for a meeting. We'll walk through a simple, quick way to create a meeting link that you can share with anyone. This is especially handy if you want to set up a meeting on the fly, without going through a full calendar invite or sending a formal email first. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and sign in with your account if you aren't already. Once you're on the main screen, look for the option labeled Meet. This is usually easy to spot, often near the top or in the main navigation panel. Go ahead and click on Meet. Think of this as your starting point for creating or joining any meeting inside Teams. After you click Meet, you'll see a few options related to meetings. Instead of jumping straight into an instant meeting, you're going to create a shareable link. Look for the option that says Create a meeting link and click on that. This tells Teams that you want a link you can send to others so they can join from wherever they are, even if they're using a browser and not the desktop app. Once you choose Create a meeting link, a small window or panel will appear with more details. Here, you'll see a button that says Create and Copy Link. Click this button. Teams will automatically generate a unique meeting link and copy it to your clipboard in one step. You don't have to highlight anything or right-click to copy. It's already done for you. If you want, you can also give your meeting a clear name before creating the link, so participants know what it's about when they join. Now that your link is created and copied, the next step is to share it. Look for the option that says Share Link and click on it. This will usually show you different ways to send the link, such as through email, chat, or other apps. You can choose the method that works best for you, or simply paste the link manually into a message. For example, you can open your email, a chat window, or a messaging app and use Paste to drop the link in. Once people receive the link, they can click it to join your